How similar must an exoplanet be to Earth in order to host human life?
Oh, I think we can handle a planet that has slightly less gravity. What do you weigh here on Earth? 185 pounds?
Thank you, but 215.
215, dude. Where are you packing it?
It's
big bone. It's big bone. If you go to an exoplanet with slightly less gravity and you weigh 190 pounds, you're not going to complain. Slightly more gravity, if your heart is strong and you weigh 230, 240, you're not going to complain. So
don't take me back up there.
So there's a range. You won't be fatter. You'll just weigh more. Your weight is not only how many molecules you have in you.
It's the density.
It's also what's the force of gravity operating on you. So you'll weigh more, but you won't look heavier. You'll just be heavier.
So my mass will be the same.
No, mass will be the same, correct. But your weight can be less or more, depending on what planet you're on. In fact, it's less or more on Earth. If you go to the equator and the equator is spinning, at the equator you're moving 1,000 miles an hour. You weigh less on the equator than you do here in New York City. You weigh less on a mountaintop than you do in a cave.
We should go to the equator, guys. They should have weigh-ins for fights at the equator.
At the equator. And if you had a mountain on the equator, you weigh less than any other place on Earth.